Woodland walk. Relax comfortably and breathe deeply. Feel the tension leave your body as you breathe out. Take in nice deep breath. Fill your lungs and follow your breath as you breathe out again, allowing each breath to refresh you on many levels. Begin to shift your attention from the world around you to the inner world of your imagination. Let your imagination take you out into the woods for an adventure that will help you feel refreshed. These woods are quite special and a place where you can escape and feel safe. It's the perfect kind of day to be outside. Overhead, the sky is a brilliant colour. The sunshine surrounds you with healing light and warms you through and through. The clouds overhead form into all sorts of shapes and drift on by. And as the clouds come and go, your worries evaporate. Your mind clears like the depth and expanse of the infinite sky. The trees are magnificent and the woods are brimming with life. It smells delightful of pine needles and bluebells. You walk along the path, taking a little time to notice what it's like, how wide it is, and what it feels like to wander along it. With each step, you feel more alive, and it makes you smile. Walking feels effortless and invigorating, like you're guiding upon a magic carpet. Your tiredness melts away, and you feel renewed and filled with energy. It feels so nice to be here again. Looking around you, you notice your surroundings. There are many types of trees, all different shapes and sizes, each one inspiring its own special way. And there is a rainbow of forest wildflowers dancing in the gentle light. And you notice the sounds that come and go, the gentle breeze rustling through the leaves, the songs of the birds, and the occasional bark of a dog in the distance. The sunlight streams through, beaming a golden light that you can just see through the branches above, casting shadows here and there. And the air tingles and the woods sparkle with life. It feels radiant, and you're happy and relaxed. And you continue down the path, walking along at a comfortable pace, and losing yourself in all the sounds, smells, and colours all around. You notice the sound of gently tumbling water, and it sparks your curiosity as to where it's coming from. It might be a waterfall, so you head in that direction. You discover a beautiful, shallow stream, and you sit on the bank, letting your fingers trail into the cool water and watching it flow over them. The water is making a soothing, peaceful sound. Leaving the stream, you make your way back to the path, listening to the leaves whisper in the soft breeze. The sunlight dances on all that around you. Your heart is soaring. And now you become aware that there's a clearing up ahead, carpeted in green, springy moss, creating a hushed silence, broken only by the sound of your footsteps. You come to a standstill and look around, seeing the squirrels and rabbits darting about, and noticing the birds flying and hopping from place to place, their songs filling the still air. It feels magical and enchanted. After a while, you head back along the path, the way that you came, feeling energy filling you. And each time you breathe, you can tell that you're being totally restored from the inside. You emerge from the wood into the open where you began, slowly becoming aware of your surroundings and returning to the here and now, but bringing with you the feeling of euphoria that you gathered during your walk. You can come back here whenever you wish. Just close your eyes and return. It will always be waiting for you.